this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable sidebar labels on your ClickUp account. Now, by enabling sidebar labels, the channel's parent location will be shown on the sidebar. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so by default, sidebar labels are hidden in ClickUp. However, if you want to enable this, it's quite simple. Just head over to your workspace and then click on your workspace name up here and then go to settings. Under settings, head over to chat here, and then from here you should be able to see chat settings. Under chat settings, now you'll find sidebar labels, and currently you can see it is hidden or set to hide. So to change this, go ahead and click on show, and that is it. Your sidebar labels will be shown. So that's how you can enable sidebar labels in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.